Today's chord is C major. Start with your thumb on top here, muting the low string. Take your third finger, place it on the third fret of the fifth string. Place your second finger on the second fret of the fourth string, and your first finger on the first fret of the second string. Make sure you're not touching any strings underneath your fingers. All right, so keep your fingers bent, like so, not collapsed like that, but bent. All right, keep your thumb up. You should have something like this. All right, one string at a time for clarity. Muted, then that one. Alright, bring it in for a closer look here. So you got your thumb, muting the low string, third finger, your second finger, and your first finger. Keep your fourth finger hanging out down here, alright? Show you this way. Again, C major. If you find these videos helpful and informative, you can show your appreciation by leaving a comment in the comment section or giving me an upvote. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you have any requests, leave them in the comments. Thanks.